After sanding, it's time to polish.
Start with Tripoli. Tripoli removes the fine sanding marks and begins bringing out the shine. Clean the ring before moving to the final polish.
Finish with rouge.
Rouge helps bring the surface to a higher shine. Finish by cleaning the ring in an ultrasonic cleaner.
Good boy, Copper.
Over here.
Good boy, Copper.